I'll move out of the way, but I just want you to know that after you watch this clip, we did something really cool with it. So you should continue watching.
Everyone's doing it a little different, but it hits everyone.
It hits everyone.
So first of all, this clip is part of our brand video. Kevin, who works with us doing photography mostly, he came to Norway last August and we did a brand film. We traveled around in Norway for a week and we filmed at my parents' place to build this brand video. One of the first things we did was to get in the car, put Kevin back in the trunk and put my dad on the motorcycle just to capture a little portrait of my dad. So we filmed from the trunk, we drove around on the streets where I grew up. It was very cool. And then the same evening, Kevin started editing a little bit just for fun. He put together some clips of that motorcycling. We got this moment where we just started smiling because the music hits just right and then do 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 do. So we wanted to do a little test and we took this video clip and showed it to a couple of my sisters and we got a smile at the exact same moment, you know? Just feeling the manipulative power of videography.
Wasn't that charming? And the next sister. Så du sånn, ja?
Alla filmer varandra.
It works!
Everyone's doing it a little different, but it hits everyone.
It hits everyone.
It hits everyone.
Thanks for watching. You should join us here on YouTube, subscribe, hit the bell icon. We are mainly a hand-knit beanie company from Norway. You know what? Just watch our brand video. Here's a link, like maybe right here. I'll put it right here. We'll also be doing more behind the scenes from this brand video, so stick around for that. Or if this video is old, maybe it's already right here in the sidebar or below bar or wherever the videos are. See ya!